Cormac, you mentioned before you've got antigen testing. In what capacity?
It was a trial test. And,
you were a guinea pig?
I was the guinea pig, yes indeed. And but actually,
where was it used?
It was for members of the Oireachtas. There was a trial day held across the way, just so we could actually see how they work.
Right. So all TDs right across the board.
Well, there was cross-party, and not everybody participated, obviously. But you know, it's interesting to see how it works. And as Kingston mentioned there, one of the key areas that I think they'll be used will be for third-level students. There's a lot of third-level students, be they starting this September or those who were in college in various years. Those individuals want to get back to in-class, in-tutorial lectures, and it's been a huge impact on them without this. So if this is a key to get them back on campus, well then this is something that needs to be considered.